In this video, I will show you how to register a company on Glassdoor. To do this, just head over to the normal glassdoor.com website and from there go to For Employers. Now then what you want to do is click Unlock Free Employer Profile. And then here you can see you can join Glassdoor as an employer to showcase your brand and request and respond to reviews. And from there you will see this. Now what you can then do is just click Features and Pricing. Now they have free and paid. If you want to just get the free company account, just click Sign Up right here. And then from there you can click Sign In the top right. And then if you now enter your work email and click Continue. From there, if you don't have an account yet, you will be prompted to create one. And just go through that process and then you will have set up your Glassdoor company account. So now you know how to register a business on Glassdoor. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.